Hello viewers, welcome to today's SMC tutorial on how to navigate Etherscan in carrying out research on a coin or a token, or even to track a wallet, all built on Ethereum network. And Etherscan is the most widely used blockchain explorer for the Ethereum blockchain. But getting to grips with it isn't always easy. But today we're going to see how we can easily navigate Etherscan to get detailed insight as it regards to a token or a coin built on Ethereum network. And one of such coins we're going to look briefly at is Shiba Inu. First of all, you should have your browser installed on your phone. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be Opera, or whichever one you are making use of at a point in time. Also, you should also have your coin market cap also installed, and also your Metamask, where we're going to get a wallet address to track to see the number of holdings and transactional histories carried out so far in that particular wallet address. First of all, if you want to get the legacy name of a project so that you will not research on the wrong project, let's go first to have CoinMarketCap and search for Shiba Inu and to know if it is built on Ethereum network, because Etherscan is for researching on coin built on Ethereum network. Let's go to CoinMarketCap first of all. You open it, you go to search, and you type Shiba Inu. The first option on the search list, numbering number 12. You click on it, you scroll down to the bottom, and you see contract Ethereum. If you click on it, you can copy the contract address if you want, but we're going to make use of the name this time around. Let's go back to our home screen and go straight to our Chrome browser. Then the address of Etherscan where you can conduct your research is etherscan.io. Once typed, you can click go. Now it is populated. You can see that on the landing page of etherscan.io, the details displayed is Ethereum, which is the base currency of the Ethereum network. We have been given the overview, but that is not what we're looking at for today. We're going to search for the detail of Shiba Inu. You click on the search bar and you type Shiba Inu. Before you finish typing, it will be populated. And below the name, as you see on the search list, is the contract address of Shiba Inu, which we also saw in CoinMarketCap. You can click on it. Some seconds. It's populating. It's populated. So as you can see, now you're on the Shiba Inu token page in etherscan.io. Now, as a prospective investor or one who wants to get more insight about Shiba Inu before making your investment decisions, you can see on the section, the overview section, you can see the maximum total supply of Shiba Inu, 999 trillion, 982 billion, 262 million, and 51,755.39 is the maximum total supply of Shiba Inu. The current holders are 1,296,689 holders of Shiba Inu. If you look at the chart beside the holders position, you can see how progressive it has been. The total transfer done so far is 12,518,259. Then when you go to the market section, you see a quick statistic there, on-chain market cap and the circulating supply market cap. Then when you scroll down to the other info section, below it you see transfer tab. When you see on the transfer tab, when it's clicked, as you can see, it's blue, meaning it's active. You see the transfer details being carried out in Shiba Inu blockchain so far. You can see the first column there, the transaction hash, the method is transfer, the block, the number of blocks before it was confirmed, the number of seconds or hours or minutes ago it was conducted. That is the H column. It's 12 seconds ago this transaction was carried from this wallet, from and then to this wallet. The quantity of Shiba involved in that transaction is 13,866,522.9795036 Shiba Inu. So on this transfer session, you see the transfer rate of so many transactions being carried out real time in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Perhaps you want to see more details concerning that transaction. You can click on the transaction hash. Once you click on it, it's populated, you see more detailed insight on the status of that transaction. It is successfully conducted. It took about 12 block confirmations. The timestamp is there 2 minutes ago. You see the accurate date, the time, and the seconds. They are all there for you to see. You're going to even see the transaction fee, the gas fee that was collected is about $2.83. So Etherscan gives you detailed insight concerning a coin or a token built on the Ethereum network. Remember, there are so many tokens built on this network. Let's go back. You can see on the holders tab, you can also see all the holders of Shiba Inu, the quantity they are holding, the percentage they are holding, the value in dollars of what they are holding, all down there. The top 1,000 holders are being displayed from a total of 1,296,689 holders. If you click on the info tab, you see more information. The volume, the market cap, the circulating supply, which you saw on the landing page, the DEX trade, meaning the decentralized exchanges where these transactions are carried out, and most of them is done on Uniswap. You can see this icon of a stallion is icon for Uniswap. If you click on the contract tab, you're going to see the contract source code of Shiba, that it is verified. It is verified, and you can scroll down to see more detail about the contract to ensure you are convinced before you make your investment decisions. On the analytics tab, you can also see more details displayed in a chart form infographically for you to also see an overview of the token called Shiba Inu. Remember, you can also search for other tokens built on this Ethereum network, and also you can also track a wallet to see the number of token holdings in a wallet and the transactional history carried out so far in a wallet, all done in the Ethereum network. To do that, you can quickly go back to your home screen on your phone, go to your Metamask or any other non-custodial wallet you have installed on your phone. You click on it. Let's copy this address here, and let's go back to our Chrome browser, back to our Etherscan. We can click on the search bar and we impute that wallet address I copied there from my Metamask. Yours could be any other non-custodial wallet. You click on it. As you can see, this particular wallet holding balance is about 0.30454427475535 Ethereum. The total value in dollars is 1.61. The total number of token holdings, if you click on this drop-down list here, you see the total number of tokens held in this wallet. It could be more, but depending on the wallet you are tracking. And if you scroll down, you can see the transaction history carried on this token. It was done 23 days ago. Some could be minutes ago, some could be months ago, depending on how frequent that wallet is being used in conducting transactions. So Etherscan is a blockchain explorer that enables you to carry out and explore transactions on Ethereum blockchain. It could be transaction history, it could be address information, it could be block information, it could be token information, like as the case of Shiba we have currently seen. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and one of our team members will quickly reach out to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next